jacket made. Kaso lang, malulubat na tong aking ano eh. Ayan, ito lang mga bago yung
Discover
kamay.
special Black Forest cherry filling.
Yung sama po ning akong kuan ay.
Milk
Kung ubo ay nga muharang manwa magukot sa gae direk. Usok. Ato na hiningi ko sa ilang. Mimit Sia, hello, good morning. Good morning guys, Happy New Year to all of you. Ayan, have a prosperous and grateful, blessful New Year's. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. Love yung hiningi ko sa'yo. Pinangahingi mo kay Saning. I have found a new love there. Tama ba itong ginagagawa ko dito? And I will always want you near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me. Ang tampis kasi ng kape. And darling, let me go. Please release me. Can't you see? You'd be cling to me. To live our lives would bring us pain. Bagal naman ang kanta na to. Release me and let me love again. Ito nga, my way. Wala na nga itong pinaubos ko na lang yung battery nito. Ilubat na yung ano yun. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, is it clear? Ay, hindi ko pala alam to. Ayan, ngayon at kailanman. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. Much love.